Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, happy Sunday you guys. I am excited to be here, blessed to be alive. Another day, another chance to have an opportunity in life, and excited to see what today's journey is gonna bring you guys. Sometimes you gotta look at it like that. But anyways, if you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I'm excited for today. Today we're doing cash stuffing Sunday. I'll be honest with you, I want to change it. I don't want to do cash stuffing Sunday. I want to do like something else, but I don't know. I just have a lot in my mind. I want to change stuff around. So I'm still under the red light. I'm not under the green light. But anyways, you guys, before I go ahead and get started, let me first thing first, count my money because I don't know exactly how much I have. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 100. 10 and 15, so 115. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 121. So we're going to be cash stuffing 121 for rent slash bill binder, but right now I only need my rent. And then the rest are going to be for saving challenges, for anything that I need. Like sinking funds, or some of those challenges do go towards my debt. But before I go ahead and get started, you guys, I have new challenges that I have available on my Etsy shop. And by the way, I finally got my nails done. Can you guys tell? Oh my gosh, if you could see the detail in person, is so stunning. I am so excited to finally get my nails done, you guys. I'm gonna be doing my nails finally. I told myself I was not gonna do my nails for this year, but I only lasted like almost 4 months without me going to do my nails. And yeah, I tried, but I just have to. It's something that helps me out, like mentally and physically. Like, it's just going into like getting my nails done, like gets my mind off anything. So I think it's very therapeutic. So I have to start and do it again. I know. Anyways, first thing first, let me show you some of the saving challenge that I have. This right here is going to be a bundle. So this bundle is 2 of them, and they're gonna be $6.50 for both of them. So this one says go for it. So it's so cute. It's like the little peace sign, like go for it, girlfriend. So you get to choose your donations. Like if you wanted all the peace signs to be $5, $10, $2, I mean, you name it. So you're gonna put it here, whatever the amount you want them to be each, and then how much it will be the total. So this one is go for it, which I think is so cute. And then this one is the other one that comes with this bundle that says do it for you. It is a purple, like a light purple heart icons. And then same thing, you choose the amount and how much it's going to be, which I think it is just so adorable. I'm obsessed. So yeah, so both of them are as a bundle for $6.50, and you get both of them. So cute. Love it. Obsessed. I'm obsessed for everything. And then next, I had to do this one, you guys. Spring is here, and then this one is spring saving. Same thing. What I love about this one, you get to choose the amount you want to save for the flower. So it is up to you how much you want to save, which I think is so freaking cute. And this one is $3.75, and each of them, you guys, you can reuse it because they're laminated. So you can erase it after, and you can reuse it. That's the thing about laminations, that you can reuse the items. I'm obsessed. All right, next, guys, Mother's Day is coming. Oh my gosh. And I needed to create one because I need to save money for my mom. So Mother's Day saving, this one right here, it's for $100. The highest number on this one's gonna be a 12. Okay, and this is so stinking cute and adorable. So I don't know if you can see, but the highest here is a 12. Obsessed. So yeah, and same thing, $3.75, I believe. Nothing should be more than $4 on like the single saving challenges, but check out my Etsy. It's gonna be on the description box. And then last but not least, it's another bundle, and you guys know that I been saving for Christmas since the beginning of this year. And I was like, I need to get it going and get some Christmas challenge going out there. All right, so this one is a bundle for $6.50, you guys. I am obsessed. How freaking cute. All right, so the first one is going to be this Christmas saving challenge for $92. It is the candy cane. Did a little cookie with the mittens and the snowman. So the highest on this one is $10, okay? And you will save $92. Look at that. How freaking cute. Obsessed. And then this one is a super tiny challenge, but it's a good one. Don't get surprised. This one will save you $70. It is a scratch off, you guys. Sorry, I didn't mean to shake you. It's a scratch off for $70. The highest is a $12. And it's a snowball. So it's a cute little snowball. So this one is a bundle for $6.50. And you can get that all on my Etsy shop. And everything that I made from Etsy goes towards my debt. So anything that I anything that I sell goes towards my Etsy. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. Goes towards my debt. So yeah, so there's all the challenges that I have available for you. I'll be taking a thumbnail like always. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? All right. So let's see. Let's take a cute thumbnail, right? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cheese. All right. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Oh my goodness. Oh, another thing, you guys. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe the amount of love I have received for both of my saving challenge binder, which is 8-6, this one and this one. So this is like a light periwinkle, like blue, and then a darker purple. It's not that dark, but it is darker compared to the first one I launched last time. But wow, I have received so many love for this both binders, and you guys have not seen the other ones. There's 2 more coming. They are neutral colors, so there's the mystery. They are neutral colors, and a lot of people have messaged me, oh my gosh, can you please do a pre-order? Guys, I'm sorry, I cannot do a pre-order because they're gonna take 2 months. They are in the process of making them, so that takes time, and then for them to ship it takes another time. Trust me, every time I've done this, that's how usually it takes. It was my fault for announcing it a little bit too early, but hey, I just wanted to let you guys know so y'all can start saving. A lot of you guys have asked me how much it's gonna be. They're gonna be $38 each. They are pebble, and a lot of you guys ask me what material. They are pebble binder. They're like, why does it look different? Because I like to get it like the shell. Sorry guys, my alarm went off to wake up. I woke up super early today, like yesterday. But anyways, a lot of you guys have asked me for pre-order, and I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm sorry, but I promise there's gonna be enough for everybody. If you really want it, you're gonna get it the day that I launch it. But this is a pebble, and a lot of you guys have asked me why does it look different. It's because I like to get it like in the chevron design. So I just like getting it designed. So yeah, so they're pebble, and yes, they are the 30 mm size ring. Yes, they're the huge ring, you guys. A lot of you guys been asking for that. It's the huge ring. They're not the same ring as the other ones, which is the smaller size. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but they are the bigger ring size. I don't think you can tell, but all of that is going to be into detail later on. So I appreciate the love that you guys have gave me. Oh my goodness, wow. A lot of you guys been waiting for like a purple color. You guys were excited for this one to come back. It is a slightly darker shade than the other one, but you guys are so excited for it, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. All right, let's just go ahead and get started, you guys. I feel like this video has taken forever for me to get started, but that's okay. I love to talk to you guys and give you information yeah, on that. All right, so my rent envelope does not need that much, but I want to get all of my envelopes to get a little bit of love. Look, so cute. I mean, you can do that, but it's okay. It don't bother me. All right, so rent is actually going to get a 20, you guys. I know. A 20. I still have time to complete my rent, which is 500. It's still the 20 something, so we still got a little bit of time. So yes. Sorry, guys. Ooh. All right, so we have 100, 200, 300. Oh, okay, wait. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 410, 20, 30, and 40. So 440. So hey, we don't need that much now to complete it. We only need $60 and we should complete it. So we're very close. Yes. All right, so there is that. Awesome sauce. Obsessed. Love it. Okay, next I'm gonna do my saving challenge. You guys know that this saving challenge binder has priority saving challenges, has a little bit of everything. Okay, so like sinking funds and stuff like that, you know, like priority stuff. So it has a little bit of everything. So let me do my priority first, you guys, which is going to be this one right here, the Hello Kitty. We are going to add, let's see where we left off. I don't remember, but oh, okay. So we're halfway. So we need to add 37. Is it 37? Hold on. I believe it's 37. I finally found my calculator. 37 plus 38. Yeah, so 37. All right, so 20, 30, and 5, 6, and 7. So 37 for this one. I'm so excited. I never thought I was going to save this amount of money. You guys, there's $75 each icon, each little circle. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to do that. There's no way. Well, yes, you can. You can do it, guys. You can do anything. Whatever you set your mind to, you can do it. Yep, I know. It sounds crazy, but you can do it. It's just that the problem is that we limit ourselves to the smallest possibility we could ever do. So that's our problem nowadays, that we limit ourselves. Trust me, I've been there. I'm always there, so I'm not judging. But we sometimes have to get ourselves out of our little bubble and give it a try, because you never know, girlfriends. Yeah, so okay, so there's that. And then last one, the other priority, it's gonna be this one right here. We're gonna add a 20 to it too for my dermatologist first appointment, which I'm ready for it. I want to go already, but we're almost there. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Wow, I think we only need $15 more, if I'm not mistaken, but I'd rather save a little bit more, because you never know. Sometimes appointments can be a little bit more than what they tell you. All right, so there's that. Both of my priority envelope has been stuffed. So now let's go ahead and get started into the other saving challenges, which I am so excited about. Oh, I almost forgot. So the winner for the Hello Kitty saving challenge is going to be right here. Congratulations. Thank you so much for the support and love. You have to contact me on Instagram to let me know your information so I can ship you that saving challenge. Yay! Thank you. Love you. All right, now let's go ahead and get started, shall we? This is the cute little saving challenge from Spooky Budget. Okay, I'm gonna take those to work because I already bought myself some Sharpies. Look, I posted this like 2 weeks ago on Instagram that I got my Sharpies for $5.99. You guys, those usually retail for $11, $12, $13, and I got them for $5.99 at Ross. And so I'm gonna change that to this. So I'm gonna take those to work because we have a board at work where we write down each table, what table belongs to the person. So I think I'm gonna take this to work. So I'm gonna get those out so I don't forget. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Let's do this one right here. Let's see. Ooh, it's an 8. All right, so this one right here will save me $8. This little scratch off. Super cute. Okay. $8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Awesome. We're halfway through it, so that's exciting. It's so exciting. Okay. All right, next, you guys, remember yesterday we were so close to finishing this one, but we didn't really have that much money, so now we get to finish it. It is our last scratch off, which will be, I have no idea. All right, here we go, guys. It's a 6. Okay. So $6, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. $6. Okay, and we are done with this one. Okay, 6. So how much did this save? I have no idea. But let's go ahead and get started and see how much it saved us. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here we go, guys. So this one saved me 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow. $66. Oh my gosh. $66, you guys. Okay, nice. Well, let me go ahead and put in this saving challenge, Mother's Day saving challenge in there. And yeah, but first, let me get, let me see. Here's a 10. So let me get that 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'll condense that later, but yes. So let's go ahead and add a 5 to this, and I will do it later with the Sharpie, but we're gonna go ahead and add a 5 to this saving challenge, which is the new one from Mother's Day. Woohoo! All right, next is gonna be this one right here. We're gonna add a 10 as well. Oh my goodness. Now we are 2 rows down. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more rows to go on that one. Okay. There's that. Have fun. Exciting. All right. So I may make that 10 to something smaller. I don't know. Oh no, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Forget it. Let's add a 15 on this. Okay. Look, that worked out perfectly. That's okay. So we're going to do a 15 for this cute little ducky. Ooh, this is going to mess up my... Okay, never mind. I'm not going to take it to work. I'm going to just leave them here, though. I'm not going to take them to work. I will keep it until I finish doing that. Or unless I can erase it and make it into a new color. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I erase it and change it to the new marker colors. All right, so far... On this one, we have 20, 30, 45. So $45 on this one. And we have 4 left. 4 more left. So yeah. Okay, guys. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your love and your support. Your time is precious. And thank you for spending your time with me. You are amazing. Keep pushing, you guys. You guys got this. It's hard. I know it is. But we all got this. We just have to keep motivating each other. So we can keep pushing, keep pulling through. And yeah, so I am so thankful and grateful for you being here. Sorry for the longer video. I actually love longer video. Just my thing. But yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. And I'll see you guys back again tomorrow for Mini Monday. Mini Monday. Don't forget to like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click on that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. All right, guys, have a beautiful Sunday. Bye. Love you.